Hi, this is Dan Altman. I'm with MarineMax here in Jupiter. Today, I want to take you through a new vessel we just got in from the factory. This is a Galeon 450 HTC, so hardtop coupe. The model was introduced in the last year, so it is a brand new model for Galeon. A lot of great features that are through the boat. Standing on the big swim platform here, we went with the synthetic teak, so no maintenance on this thing. We still have the option for real teak. Across the back, nice big boarding platform for both sides. There is storage underneath, so for fenders and lines and whatnot. It's gasketed, so to keep that sealed. This is nice. So across the transom, we have Kenya barbecue, wet bar sink, a little cooler space, so you fill it with ice, and then a dedicated space for like a cutting board. So just a real nice summer kitchen barbecue area. You can be back here with the family, grilling out. All the smoke and all the smells are out away from the interior of the boat. And of course the family is sitting right here while you're entertaining. This just locks in. There's a simple push button here to release it. And of course your stainless steel components, 3/16 stainless steel components. As you can see, both gunnels go into beach mode, and these are wings. The starboard side is up and the port side is down right now. There are gates that'll like a fence that'll pop up. They slide right in for safety. Across the back, we have L-shaped seating, and then this slides back and forth for seating inboard or outboard. And then the table, which is fixed, but it does open for full dining. And if you wanted to add some extra chairs as a custom item, you could. I like it because it's simple flip over, and then you have a grab handle. The sliding glass doors are open right now. They slide very simply. It closes the boat up nicely. The outside of the boat is covered from the sun, and you can add a storage cover if you like. Above us is an opening sunshade, so it's an awning. It is push button, so it can retract in, so you can get some sun on the back here. As you can see, it opens inward and outward. This is almost a flush threshold to come in and out. We have class drainage here, just in case you do get water for that threshold. The seating here, so we can face outward and enjoy our company, or face inward. The table, it does expand up, so you can lift it. There's a leaf that pulls out underneath to support that. And then opposite of us is more seating, and television's behind us. So it's angled nicely for the dedicated seating on this side, so we can enjoy the television. And you can see here, it's nice, good size backrest. This is a performance fabric, so it's good for indoor, outdoor type use. Obviously this is inside, but they did specifically select a performance fabric for this. We do have hardwood floors throughout, and then Galeon has stepped it up a little bit with their design in the floors. So you can see we're not just doing straight planks. These are angled in a diamond formation. There is carpet that comes with the boat. It's a roll carpet. We've got that downstairs. It just simply rolls out. So if you want to have, if you got kids or something and you don't want any body falling, for carpet. Above the sofa, we do have storage. And that's 3 storage panels here and 2 back here that all open. So that's starboard side. And then port side, we have more storage throughout. So every available space is storage, and even the cabinets here. So you'll find that Galeon is one of the companies that gives you tons of storage throughout. This, and everything's positive lock, so it's not going to open in sea conditions. Our control panel is here. So simple breakers. Main switch is for the house or service. Then we have our anchor winches, thrusters, engines. So just simply push those, turn them on. We have battery monitors for your service and your engine batteries. Simple breakers and our entertainment. The vessel's got a chiller system, so air conditioning and heat is through a very efficient chiller. It provides better air conditioning than individual cruisers. This is made by Dometic. And then the Fisher Panda, that's a 12 kW diesel generator on this boat. And then where engines are the D6 Volvo 480 horsepower, and those are diesel as well, V-drive configuration, so a straight shaft. So I'll step forward here. So 2 steps up, and then an open galley layout. We do have a window. I've got it open already. So allows cross ventilation, and on the starboard side is a door. So we can actually step out from the helm and grab the bow lines and whatnot. In the galley, of course, your refrigeration with a freezer compartment. We have our convection microwave, and then 2 burner Kenya cooktop. Kenya is the same brand that we used on the barbecue grill out back. This is a synthetic stone. And then some really cool features, like that slides right in, stows away for your sink, double tray sink, and a little trash can over there. So real simple designs, but smart for yachting. And then there's more storage. These are all drawers that open. And there's 3 of them. I've got the sunroof open slightly. So fiberglass sunroof. There is, we did some padding up here, vinyl padding, to deaden the sound, so it's just not a piece of fiberglass up there. So that's a real nice touch through Galeon. At the helm, so plenty of room for 2 people here to enjoy your cruising. Throttle and shift. We do have a bow thruster on the boat. Electric steering. So that's all the latest equipment out. And electric steering controls how fast your rudders will turn, depending on your speed. And then Raymarine navigation package with our Volvo. Raymarine is very simple to use. If you just tap the app, whichever app you want, and it'll open it up. So, and this is customizable for what you'd like. So we're showing chart and also fish finder right now. And of course our autopilot display. And this has your course correction, steering wheel on your autopilot. A lot of the buttons here, so navigation panel, this is our underwater lights, our navigation lights, things like that. Your anchor controls, the window over by the galley, and your washers for your windshield wipers. One-piece windshield across, easy visibility. Look how low that windshield dips down. You're seeing your sun pads on the bow. So the one on the right, which is starboard side, is elevated up. You just lower that down. And then we have a backrest all the way forward that flips down and it folds underneath that cushion. So you can really enjoy out there. And then one thing that we specify, because it is Florida and we're in the tropics, so we specify a tropical air conditioning system on this boat, a bigger generator, and then things like we did a black finish on the dash up here to eliminate any glare. So that's a real nice feature and it's comfortable while you're driving the boat. We'll head downstairs. So it's 4 steps down. And I'm just walking right into our VIP area. This is tons of storage for a vessel for a VIP. This is a second master. The way they configured this, so you can choose either forward or aft master. This bed, lift, slide right over. So you can come together or separate them as needed. Tons of storage in the gunnels. And then we have a full hanging locker here. And of course the rod is lighted. This is your owner's manuals. And another nice feature is our vanity mirror. We do have blinds across, nice big windows. We have a television in this room. Every doorway is gasketed for sound and vibration engineering. So as we shut a door, it shuts. It will not rattle. So when you're running the boat, also when people are living on the boat, eliminates noise. And then these are magnetic. So as you shut the door, it just latches. And it's a quiet latch. So during the nighttime when you're opening and closing doors, you don't hear each other as much. This is your VIP head. So big window with blinds, plenty of storage throughout. So you have storage behind the mirror. You have a GFI outlet here, and then storage underneath. So toilet here, which is a Tecma freshwater vacuum flush toilet, and a very large shower for your guests. So we have two doors that close, and then we have a wand that will go up top here or down below, and then a rain shower as well. So, and then a seat. And there's extra storage here. So one of the largest showers, I think, in class for a vessel of this size. We're gonna head across to the starboard side. Guest head we just came out of, come down the steps, port side, doors right there, easy to find. This is the primary stateroom and primary bath. So massive window, we do have blinds that come down. All this is storage underneath the mirrors. We have storage vanity across, of course our toilet aft, and our shower is forward. So I just stepped inside the shower here. Of course, we have the double doors that close. And same thing with the rain shower and your wand with a lower and high position. So very comfortable throughout. And of course, dressing mirror. And this is just a big bathroom for a master on a 45-foot vessel. Sliding pocket door. And I'm gonna head back. We have a couple steps, but the landings are large. And then here we are into our master or your primary stateroom. Full bed. It's a walk around. So our ceiling height's a little lower in here, but they did it so there's really no head knockers throughout. You can get around easy. They're all padded ceilings. And they did that to get lower center of gravity for stability in this boat. So we have dresser space across both port and starboard sides. So all this opens across. And then on the port side, you have the same thing. And then shelving. Of course, our television, and we do have a nice hanging locker that is, right here. So we've got some of the carpet stored in here right now, just to keep it protected. And then there is blinds that will lower down across the windows. So let's head back upstairs. So we talked about the door that opens by the helm. So if I'm docking the boat, I could single hand this and just step out and go grab the bow lines. So we're actually going to do that now. So we'll step out. Great feature as you come forward, this rail is designed to break open, take the lower portion off, and so if you're at a fixed dock in the Bahamas, you can board easily. Our cushions up here, upgraded vinyl. It's the latest technology out that's available. And then I talked about how this seat will just fold down, and now you got good visibility from the helm. We have our ground tackle, so your anchor system, just foot pedals here, up and down, and then spotlight. The railing, instead of just doing safety wires, they actually did lower railing across, give you a nice beefy structure, just beautiful. Part of the sun pad, we do have cup holders. So they thought of convenience and actual use of the boat, and then grab rails for safety. As you look back, we just got this boat off the ship, so we just untaped it, unwrapped it. It needs to go through detailing, but on the top here, you'll see some of the residue from some tape that was secured for shipping. And then we have radar, we have a television, airwaves antenna, and of course your air horn. So, and that mast is designed to lower if you needed to ship the boat or clear a lower bridge. We'll take a step back to the cockpit and the salon area. As I walk through, you see how high the rails are coming through. So great safety feature. And then coming back to our cockpit area, again, just a real open space for entertaining. This is 450 HTC Galeon. My name is Dan Altman. If you have any more questions or would like to learn a little bit more about this boat, give us a call here at MarineMax in Jupiter. Have a great day.